After you unbox the product from the cardboard box, the very first step is to unzip the exclusive storage bag. Inside the bag, you will get 4 boards that paired into 2. Take the board from the bag. The first board pair, and then the second board pair. Not only that, you will also get a head stopper and a feed slider. After you take all the material out, you could start assembling them. First, arrange the board based on the numerical order. Then, put the head stopper on the top part of the board by matching it with the available slots. Then, attach the feed slider to the board for the final touch. Here you go, your Infantometer board is ready to use.